Thanks for supporting FireCube. The following is the tutorial of how to use it. Every card has a label. From 1 to 5, the last card is the one with FireCube logo. Just follow the label to assemble it. For detailed assembly process, please refer to this video. FireCube has two modes, the grilling mode and the wood stove mode. After completing the body, the rack can be installed. In grill mode, just place the rack into the lower slot, and then put the grilling net on and start grilling. If you want to switch from grill mode to wood stove mode, just remove the grilling net and put the rack into the higher slot. Disassembly is also very simple. First, remove the grilling net and the rack, and then just disassemble it in the reverse order, from the one with FireCube logo to one. It is also easy to start a fire with FireCube. Place the main fuel on the upper floor. Put flammable materials on the lower floor. By igniting the main fuel with lower floor flames, you can make fire easier. The above are the instructions for using the FireCube. We hope you can have fun using it.